everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how to use count, countif and countifs function. So for this, first of all, download this Excel file from the link given in the description. This is a sample salary data from a retail company. So let's start with count function. Suppose we want to count the total number of salary entries. So for this, we will use the count function. So we will press count and we will select our range and press enter. Here we can see that we have a total of 10 salary entries in this data. And suppose if we want to count these 4 rows, how we will do that? So for this we can't use count function. So for this we will use COUNTIF function, because COUNTIF function will calculate the numeric values as well as the text values to count the rows, and we will just select our range, and here we can see that our answer is 4, but count function only counts the numeric values, so count function will won't work in this case. So to count numeric as well as text value, we will use the COUNTIF function, and to count only numeric values, we will use the count function. Suppose if we want to count the salary entries but only for sales department, so for this we will use another function which is COUNTIF. So first of all, we will select our range. So our range is department, and our criteria is we want to uh, calculate the sales count, and we will press enter here, and here we can see that we have a total of 4 count for sales department: 1, 2, 3 and 4. And yes, now in this case, if we want to count the total sales department count but having salary greater than 50,000, how will we do that? So for this we will use the countifs function. So our criteria is this department, and which is sales. Our filter will be sales, and our second criteria is the salary. So we will select this range, but it should be greater than 50,000, and we will press enter here, and here we got the answer as 3. This will be rejected, this row will be rejected because salary is less than 50,000. So the rest remaining is this first, second and third. And I hope you have understood the use of count, counta, countif and countifs function. So if we if in the condition we have to use more than one criteria, we will use the countifs function, and for only one criteria we will use countif function. And to count the numeric values, we will use count function, and to count numeric as well as text value, we will use the count a function. Thank you.